It was a beautiful, sunny day, perfect for a picnic in the park. Sarah was celebrating her birthday with her friends. They brought blankets, delicious food, and fun games to enjoy. Welcome, everyone! Sarah greeted her friends with a smile. Happy birthday, Sarah! They all said in unison. Thank you, Sarah replied, feeling happy and appreciated. They spread out their blankets under a big tree and started unpacking their picnic basket. There were sandwiches, fruits, cookies, and even a birthday cake. Hello, welcome to my class.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Happy birthday. Ali, excuse me, it's late.
Thank you. That's very nice of you. And no problem.